Here I have 6 problems, and I'm going to try to figure out which ones are equivalent to which. In order to do so, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use order of operations and simplify each of them and then see which ones match. So starting with the first one, I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 2 and get 6x minus 10. Okay, so now when I do the rest of them, I'm going to look for 6x minus 10. Okay, so now as I do the rest of them, I'm going to go ahead and double distribute right here. Starting with x times x gives you x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. Now we're going to the bottom distribution, right? The 2 times x gives us 2x. 2 times negative 5 gives us negative 10. And then I'm just going to bring down the rest, x squared plus 9x. Now I'm going to combine like terms, okay? So I'm going to start with my x squareds. Go ahead and box those. Oh, nice. X squared minus x squared gives us 0x squared, right? Or it'll just take them away, cancel them out. Good. Now we have negative 5x plus 2 plus 9. Negative 5x plus 2x is negative 3x. Negative 3x plus 9x is 6x minus 10. Oh, look at that. We found the match. Good. Now we know that these two are equivalent. Let's not stop there. Let's go ahead and do this one and combine like terms. We get 6x. And would you look at that? All three are equivalent. So now we know that all of these expressions are equivalent to one another. So now let's do this again. Let's try to do this again, right? So now we have 4x plus 4x minus 2x. That's going to be 4x plus 4x is 8x minus 2x is 6x. And then we have negative 4 minus 6. Oh, look at that. We found another equivalent function. Look at this. So now we know that these top 4 that we've done first are equivalent to one another. Now we're going to see how something else will be equivalent, right? So now when we look at this x minus 3 squared, this is going to be x minus 3 times itself, so times x minus 3. And then we're just going to go ahead and double distribute, right? X squared minus 3x plus 9. Combining like terms, x squared minus 6x plus 9. Okay. Now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and do the next one, which says x minus 3 times x minus 3. Now, even before we go ahead and distribute this out, we can notice that these were the exact same. So we already know, I'll go ahead and do this in a different color, right? We already know that these are equivalent to each other, right? These are equivalent to each other because this x minus 3 squared becomes x minus 3 times x minus 3. If we wanted to prove that, again, we could just double distribute this, which is what we did just to the left. So we have x squared minus 3x plus 9, x squared minus 6x plus 9. Notice that. Okay. So this is just a little bit of help on trying to do order of operations, breaking things down to find expressions, and noticing what is equivalent to what. I did forget to highlight this one in yellow just to show the equivalent there. Thank you.